Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. That motivates me to make more jewelry related tutorials. Many people have asked me to make a tutorial on how to render a metal. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to render gold, silver and rose gold. We'll start with gold ring. Take yellow ochre and mix it with white to make the base color. So as the base color is done, the next step is just use yellow ochre this time at the top of the base color. To get the desired result, please follow the steps accordingly. Now to show this shadow, here mix little bit of black with yellow ochre. That will give you dark brown color, and that is an appropriate color for showing the shadow. Use white to give that polished effect. Rendering metal is really easy and real fun when you know it correctly how to do it. For prongs, use the same technique. Now we move to our next ring, that is silver. Here you use black and white mixture only. The base should be light grey. Use little bit of black to the light grey mixture and make the shadow the way I've done. Again use white to show polished effect. Next is rose gold. Use crimson lake, yellow ochre and white. Prepare the mixture on the lighter side for the base color, and you'll get this kind of color. Now to the same mixture, use more of crimson lake for another layer. To show shadow, you use the same process as earlier. Just use dark grey, or to the same mixture just add a pinch of black, and then you can make the shadow like that. Then again use white to show the polish. Here I would like to mention the color I'm using is Koi Watercolors by Sakura. Link I have given in the description below. I've added list of all the materials in the description. Do check it. Just for your reference, I'm marking down the colors I've used to render these metals. To draw the shape of diamond, you can use these templates or a compass. First, I'm showing a rough diamond here, just to show you how to draw a diamond. Draw a circle and divide it into parts the way I've shown. Mark it with micron pen. It is very easy to do it that way. This is how I've made the shape of diamond. Now we'll go to our ring. Use white color as shown to the top layer. Another layer is the black color. Use white road ring to show facets. Here I'm just using light grey to the white area. Use white color the way I've done to show the table. And this is it. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have anything to ask, leave a comment below. You can also follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. Thanks so much for watching.